Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about what is mean time to repair, MTTR. Let's jump right into it. What is mean time to repair, MTTR? MTTR stands for mean time to repair. It is a key performance indicator, KPI, used in maintenance and repair operations to measure the average time required to diagnose and repair a failed component or system and return it to normal operating conditions. MTTR is a critical metric in industries such as manufacturing, IT, telecommunications, and other sectors where equipment uptime is crucial. Importance of MTTR: performance measurement. MTTR helps organizations understand the efficiency of their maintenance processes. Predictive maintenance. It assists in predicting future downtimes and planning maintenance schedules. Cost management. Reducing MTTR can lead to significant cost savings by minimizing downtime and improving productivity. Customer satisfaction. In service-oriented industries, a lower MTTR can lead to higher customer satisfaction by ensuring quicker resolution of issues. MTTR formula and example. The formula for calculating mean time to repair MTTR is MTTR = total downtime, number of repairs. Total downtime, the cumulative time that all repairs have taken. Number of repairs, the total number of repair actions performed during a specific period. Example calculation. If a system experienced 3 breakdowns over a month and the downtimes for each repair were 2 hours, 3 hours, and 1 hour, the MTTR would be calculated as follows. Total downtime = 2 plus 3 plus 1 = 6 hours. Number of repairs 3. MTTR 6 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours. So the MTTR in this example is 2 hours. This means on average it takes 2 hours to repair the system and return it to normal operation after a failure. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.